There is a workshop where we produce drilling and milling machine. Hello everyone, welcome to our product introduction. I'm Alex from WMT CNC. It's my pleasure to get this opportunity to introduce our company and machines to you at here. So first of all, I'll make a brief introduction of our company. WMT CNC is a manufacturer of machinery. We mainly manufacture and sell various CNC lathe, CNC milling, and also include drilling machine, milling machine, lathe machine, drilling and milling machine, multi-purpose machine, and so on. We provide high quality and good price product for customers from every corner of the world. Then let me show you the leading character today, MP500. This is a compact, versatile combination machine. As a multi-purpose machine, it could be used for lathing, drilling, and milling. It is suitable for processing metals, wood, and other materials. MP500 is the best choice for DIY hobby users and students who want to learn how to operate lathe machine or drilling and milling machine because of its low price and its low cost and small occupation. As you can see, the color of this machine is green, and we could offer any other colors as your request, such as blue or white. There are three very important specifications of MP500. The first one, its max swing over bed is 420 mm. And the second one, its max distance between centers is 500 mm. That's why it is called MP500. The third one, the diameter of the spindle bore is 28 mm. These three important specifications determine the max size of the workpiece that this machine could process. Then we come to work table. The size of work table is 475 multiplied 160 mm. And the max longitudinal travel of work table is 400 mm. When I turn in this hand wheel, you can see the work table is moved smoothly. And the max cross travel of work table is 200 mm. And in this direction, the movement is also smooth. And in another direction, the max cross travel is 200 mm. In this direction, the movement is also smooth, very smooth. And after introduction the work table, I will introduce to you the toe post on the work table. It is a 4-position toe post, so you can change different tools for your different lathing need. And if you want, you can turn this toe post at 360 degrees. In the right side of the machine, there is a tailstock. Its burial travel is 70 mm, and the taper of the burial is MT3. In the left side of the machine, there are two motors. They are both double capacity single-phase motor. Both of their power is 0.75 kilowatts, and all of them use 110 volt and 16 hertz power supply. The use of single-phase motor is more energy saving and money saving for household machines. This window is for lathing. The taper of this window is MT4. Its range of speed is from 160 RPM to 1360 RPM, and it can be set at 7 steps. The machine is driven by belt, so there is a speed table here and here. By adjusting the position of belt in this box, speed of this window could be changed. Also, when you switch different gears in this box, according to this honing round table. You can make this window working under different speed for metric or imperial thread cutting. You can cut metric thread range from 0.2 to 6 mm, and the imperial thread range from 4 to 120 TPI through this function. After introducing the lathing function, I will introduce the drill and mill function. By using the other spindle, you can drill and mill. Its max drill capacity is 22 mm. The headstock travel of up and down is 110 mm. And the spindle taper is MT3. Range of the speed of this spindle is from 120 to 3000 RPM. As you can see, this spindle is also driven by a series of belts under this cover. By changing the position of belts according to this spin table, you can get 16 steps of speed to process different materials. If you loosen these two screws, you can turn the headstock 360 degrees. This allows this MP500 to perform more complex processing. So in conclusion, MP500 is a very fantastic machine. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us. Thanks for watching and see you next time.